Yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna
Crush the middle of it first.
Well, I imagine he'll hit that first.
That's a cool little, I thought it was more of a tractor backhoe, you know? It's got the metal threads and everything.
Those are rubber.
No rubber.
Get it so he can. Checking out what he's got to do.
What?
I'm really happy I have somebody doing this because
Yeah. Well, you know, you're always taking a chance something's going to land on top of you or whatever.
she couldn't see from over there, I'm sure.
Maybe there's a little bit of rain will help keep the dust down a little bit.
It didn't rain much. Did you see that whole thing?
Yeah, I don't know why he didn't just kind of...
Well, because I'm afraid of that water. I'm really afraid of that.
You get a hold of those guys?
Nope.
You were worried about that thing in the middle.
I thought that was...
That didn't even face it.
I don't know what's holding that damn thing up.
Well, there's something right there.
Yeah. It's not that post, because that post doesn't go all the way down.
No.
It's so funny, the whole thing shakes.
Siren.
Yeah, it does.
Got an air raid siren? Siren. There you go. That was the speaker for the phone. Outside, you can hear the phone ringing.
Maybe. I see what he's doing. He's kind of just going, he wants to take it back slowly because I told him about that.
The water back here?
Yeah. What's that? Well, I can't believe that it's still up. Honestly.
You would have thought the whole thing would have just collapsed.
I did. I thought the whole thing would be down. As soon as you knocked that, I thought that front beam, that main old 2x4, I thought that was the main hold. That's going to be the dangerous part right there.
That's the garage side.
That garage is still standing.
These guys supposed to pick it up and throw it in the truck?
I think so. I think they're going to be the... Yeah.
Pick some of it up with a bucket and turn it around somehow to pick it up and put it in the dumpster.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that's a lot stronger than I thought it was.
Yeah. You were worried.
Look at the whole house just swayed.
We got the door out of there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did yesterday. We didn't take the rails down though.
Cheryl put Cheerios in their cup for breakfast, and they're just. I can't believe it either. I thought for sure that thing was gone as soon as he hit it.